Alright, man, video had died. Don't know how much video we lost. But anyways, for you guys back. Uh-oh, was it the water? So, yeah. Might have missed me cleaning the bottom, but, yeah, cleaned the bottom pretty good. Need just this. Yeah, it's a lot better like that. Yeah, so I cleaned out the bottom. I'm gonna clean the front right now. The front looks like it needs a good little wipe down. Alright. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna flip it over a little bit. Alright. Hey, that looks pretty good inside. It's coming out pretty good. Alright, we're kind of just gonna let that let the juice, as you can see, just kind of just dry. Alright, well, other side. Alright, now to this great stuff over here. There we go. Yep. Alright, now time for the scrubs. Some of the stuff off for you. Yeah, a bunch of stuff up on top. Gross. Gross stuff. It's nice and clean, buddy. Nice and clean for you. Just pump it clean. Oh yeah, alright, we're almost there, we're almost there. And then we start rinsing off and put the stuff back in. Oh yeah. Alright, and so, yep, so these are one of the steps. I mean, if you are trying to turn pretty much trash into cash, I mean, flip appliances, I mean, stuff people are pretty much going to throw away or don't want. And I mean, there's other people that need it desperately and are willing to pay. And as for me, and folks like y'all are there to give them some customer service. Alright, you guys, almost done with this one right here. Almost done. Alright. Good. Alright, well, let's start rinsing stuff off. Rinse. And as I'm rinsing off too, I mean, just clean whatever you see. So I'm not gonna go over everything again. I mean, if I was gonna keep this fridge personally for myself, I probably would repeat this process another couple more times. Have a lot more bleach. Alright. Looking. Alright. Alright, for the most part, that's okay. Alright. Switch that around. In that crack. Okay. Alright, as you can see, our cooler getting low. Alright. Rinse and recycle. Cooler getting low. Hey, moron! You're fine! Alright. So I get a little recycle some water onto this other stuff. Oh yeah. Alright. Especially wiggle. And the wiggle, clean. There's the spot. Wiggle. Clean. There's the spot. Cycle. Alright, getting there, doggy. We're getting there, doggy. We are getting there. Alright, so yeah, she's about done. Got a little backup water right here. Sponge. Missed the spot. Perfect time to get the spots on this when you're rinsing it, especially when you're in a hurry. Alright. Come on back. Alright. Alright, I'm going to fill this. What's that? Gather my strength. I'm going to crawl to the kitchen and get some more water. It's coming out pretty good though. Coming out pretty good. Hey, make sure no squirrels or no birds effing my stuff. Finger sponge. Clean that up, huh? Alright. Dang, where? Jeez. Let Mother Nature do this thing real quick. Ah, dang. While I was in there, should have grabbed some paper towel. So now, I'm going to let Mother Nature do its thing. Help me dry some of this stuff up. And I help it and tilt where I can, so the water can drip off it and repel off it. Alright, my tape, got my tape wet. Got that from work. It'll be hot. It'll be hot, Nick. What'd you do with our tape? Alright, I'm gonna grab some towels. Alright, Yang Yang got some more towels, Alright, rinse this bad boy inside and let some dry it off. Yang Yang. Let's get the fridge. Alright. Nice. Off. Hit that top too. That top is dirty. Top is filthy. Yeah, make sure you clean the top seat off. Alright, towels. All right, well, it's nice and dry on the inside. And so I'm gonna put this in. I'm gonna put these pieces back in. Usually I'll let them dry completely, but I'm in a rush right now. So I'm gonna go to Salinas, go eat some tacos. Hit a like if y'all know, or comment if y'all know where Salinas, California is. Come on, anybody? Come on. I know you know where Salinas, California is. What about you? No, you? No, nobody. All right, don't move there. People think it's known for the lettuce capital of the world. Incorrect. It's murder capital of the world. Don't move there. Too many people there already. Actually, if you live there, move out. So I could go get an apartment over there. Alright, I'm gonna try this thing. This thing is pretty gross inside. Alright, half the time, I don't know where this stuff goes, but I mean, it's all pretty much similar. Just kind of use whatever brain cells you may have left to figure it out. Alright. Well, I don't like that. I don't like that. Alright, which one? It's that last piece. Almost. Oh, dry that off a little bit, quick boy. Get that a little dry, a little drizzle. Alright, get rid of some of these. Well, these are obvious on the door. Alright. Whoa, it was a beautiful day. It was nice and sunny. And then I said something about it being sunny, and one of you haters were like, you know what? I can't let Nick have no sunny day. And y'all talk to, remember y'all how to talk to. Y'all peoples. And y'all made the sun go away. Y'all cold-blooded for that one. Cold-blooded. Alright, yep. Alright, get in there, doggy. Alright, we'll grab some more paper towels. Some action? Ooh, action. She said twinses. Porsche and Mercedes. Yang yang. Remember this one? This is the one that had the. If you guys remember, that was the drawer. So since you're not gonna use that, you're not gonna be using the drawers because it's all messed up. I'm gonna put this at the bottom. You know what I mean? You can't see it. I'm no foul. I mean, this is a custom fridge, anyways. Gee! Alright, put these bad boys up at top. Gee! Anybody seen Through the Fresh Cut? My boy Ricky and Salinas. That's Dubbers. We'll get you right. Hit him up. Tell him fridge guy slash the free stuff guy sent you. Go. Come on. Do it for Sasha. Do it for Sasha. Alright, yeah, and if you notice anything else, I mean, as you're putting stuff along, just give it a little wipe down. Those towels, never, 79 cents at Walmart, 79 cents a roll. What's that up there? It's notification. Yeah, this takes forever. So sometimes, you know what I mean. Even though I've been trying to go as fast as possible, it's time consuming. Especially with the newer ones, the stainless steel fridge ones. I'm not able to bring them back here in the garage. I mean, back here in the backyard. I have to clean them up in front, and they take forever to clean a lot more pieces. Alright, doggy, we're getting there. Oh boy, you said I'm getting there, doggy. Alright, doggy. Alright. Getting it, doggy. Getting it, doggy. Uh-oh. I forgot. The center. Ooh. Like pot of milk. King it. Soup. No packet. Fridge outsmarted me for about 30 seconds, and I got the upper hand. King milk, hot milk. All right. Okay. King milk, hot milk, soup, okay. Hey, this fridge coming out nice, y'all. Hey, when y'all need it, I'm gonna sell it before. Tap in. Gang gang. I like that. I like that. A little bit lower. A little bit lower. Have a little room. Some towel stuff. King milk. Soup. Okay. Alright, we're getting there. We are getting there, folks. What y'all think? Come along, huh? Come along. Oh, y'all wrote her off. Y'all wrote her off, huh? Y'all wrote her off. Well, I bought her back, y'all. Jeez, put your juices right there, little protein juices, couple of Budweisers, little Modelo's. Yeah, yep, Powdered milk. Milk. Keep getting there, buddy. Couple more pieces. Couple more pieces and we in there. SpongeBob, we almost there, SpongeBob. Still almost forgot how that. Yeah. Powdered milk. Alright, try to figure out. It's not really closing perfectly. See if I can figure it out real quick. There you go. A little brute force. Now I'm a brute, I can say that. Alright, that's peace. Alright folks, so we did it.